Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to explore about characterization. Basically, characterization means a dramatical representation of a particular character either by describing it or giving a speech about it or doing actions and gestures about it. So that is what we call it as characterization. So today we are going to use a puppet as a character. Hope you all have seen the previous video how to make a puppet. First you have to make the puppet and then only we can move forward towards it. So here the handmade puppet which we have seen in the previous video. First, to introduce about a character, you need to know 5 things about the character. So the things are the name of the puppet, where it is from, the place where it belongs to. The third is, does it have a family? If yes, who are all the family members? And fourth is, what are the puppet's likes and dislikes? So for example, the puppet likes to be with the family, or the puppet does not like when somebody laughs at it. So like that, likes and dislikes about the puppet, about that character. And you have to choose a particular voice for the character. Hope you all have know the stomach voice, lung voice, nasal voice that we have learnt in the previous lessons. So we can choose any one of those voices which can be perfect for the character which you choose. So these are the things you need to make sure that you prepare well before the introduction of the character. So now I'm going to introduce my character which I chose. I'll give you a basic introduction about it with the things which I've told you before, the name, the place, about its family and everything. So based on that, you can prepare your own puppets, your own characters introduction. Let's begin. Hello everyone. I am Lily. I have come from a pond in a faraway jungle. I live with my family there. Mama, Papa, a brother and a sister. I love my brother and sister. We always play together. We play hide and seek, catch the fly, and many more games. I have so many friends with me there. I love my friends, my family, and my pond, including all of you. Ha ha ha. Today I am very happy because my family is coming here to visit me. Yay! Hooray! I have introduced about myself. Would you also like to tell about yourselves? Let's start. So, I have given you the introduction of my own character, which I named it Lily. In the same way, you can create a name to your own puppet and you can introduce your puppet with the basic informations which I have already shared before. So when you are giving the introduction, when you are using the puppet, you are using it with your hand and fingers. So you need to make sure that the words which you pronounce and the way how you move your fingers should get matched. So when you are opening your mouth, then the puppet's mouth also should be open. So the overall control is only here. So you will make sure that when you are speaking, it should not go like this and that. So however you speak, the same lip sync should be there with your puppet. That is why when you are beginning to learn, you can take very simple sentences and you can do it very slowly, because when you make it too fast, you will not be able to coordinate with the voice which you are doing with the actions of the puppet. So it is good to start with very simple sentences and also make sure you start with a very low pace. Once you are used to it, then you can add up more sentences as you want, and then you can be little bit faster than you are starting it before. So once you are done with the introduction, you can have a partner with you who can also make a sock puppet like how you have done it, and that puppet can have a different name, that can be a different character. So now you have yours and a different another character. So what you can do together, both of you can create a scene with more dialogues with it. So you can have a conversation with the other puppet also. So only when you finish the introduction part, after that, ask about that character's introduction. Once you both are done, you can have a conversation with a little more dialogues in it, and you can create a scene, a particular scene, however you want. As you are making conversation with the partner, you can do it as a group conversation also by having more than 2 or 3 characters in that. Hope you will enjoy making the puppet and introducing your own character to the others. Thank you, children. Stay safe, have fun, take care.